If you've ever said, "I think this is right," while staring at a QuickBooks screen, this is for you. Most bookkeepers know how to enter transactions, but they get stuck when something doesn't follow the pattern. Like, what do you do when a client deposits personal money or reimburses an expense from last year? That's where the guessing starts. And guesswork is what keeps you stuck, stressed, and second-guessing every move. But if you can master the why behind the entry, not just the how, that's when everything changes. Because here's the truth. When the books are wrong, the whole business suffers. Clients make bad decisions based on bad data, tax bills get messed up, trust erodes, and for your client, that could mean real financial consequences, even the failure of their business. But when you understand what's really going on behind the numbers, you become the hero who protects their livelihood. Hi, I'm Margie Remmers-Davis, founder of Acadian Accounting Education, and I've helped over 20,000 bookkeepers go from overwhelmed and uncertain to skilled, confident, and in demand. When a shocking divorce forced me into bookkeeping, I had zero knowledge and zero experience. I got my QBO certification, so I knew the software, but when I went into the real world and actually started bookkeeping for a client, I quickly realized I had no idea what I was doing. Sure, I knew QuickBooks, and I knew a little bit about bookkeeping from an online course I took, but nobody ever taught me how to think like a bookkeeper. So I created a method to fix that. Most struggling bookkeepers think they need another app or a cheat sheet, but the truth is what you need is deep knowledge of how all the numbers connect. That clarity builds real confidence. When you understand the why, everything else falls into place. So if you're tired of guessing, tired of doubting yourself, and tired of wondering if you're even doing it right, there is a better way, and it starts with how you think. If you're ready to stop second guessing and start thinking like a pro bookkeeper, click the link to get started, because once you see it clearly, you'll never go back to guessing again.